this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be teaching you how to assemble the PVC wash station that is packaged inside this 5-gallon bucket. Let's get started. Alright, first we're going to take our 4-ways, stick them onto a couple of our 14-inch segment pieces of pipe here. Then we're going to be taking our T's here. It's going to be our level. Then we're going to the top. We're going to put it on our 3-ways. Alright, so in this point, we have to decide where our 4-way is going to go. The 4-way is what's going to hold on the roll of paper towels. These are called our side saddle tees, kind of a new item. We're going to stick those on like that, and onto the other side as well. This is going to be placed upon the top, just like so. Those have a hard snap. They're really secure, but they are harder than maybe your snap clamps that you'll see later on, so just keep that in mind. Then we're going to take our snap tabs. These are the 6-inch snap tabs. We're going to snap them on the top here, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our 3-inch snap tab. It's the same design as the 6-inch, but it's just a smaller piece. That's going to be placed in the back, just like so, to hold that bucket up top. Then we're going to place another snap tab on the corner here, like that, and 2 more directly in front of the last 2 we just put up. So you can see how the platform's like that. We have a side here for a soap dispenser. Up here, this is going to be holding on the bag, the catch-all bag. Comes with a pack of 10. These are the easy snap clamps for 1 inch. And everything you see here is in 1 inch. So the catch-all bag that comes with the kit. This is where it comes into, we want the bag to touch the ground so it's not suspended and getting that pressure from all the water. So we want to keep, we want to find that mid-range. So what we like to do is we take a snap clamp, snap it on right there, and it leans on that. Now we're going to get some water and put in here. Everything we just saw here is included in the kit. Now, with that being said, there's other things that you could add to this kit that you could get at your local hardware store. So we have some soap here. You can set on the corner of the pad, and you could have your soap. So you're washing your hands, you have your soap. Also, what this is designed for is roll paper towels. Set it right there, and you're set to go. So, say you need somewhere to put your trash. That's an easy fix. You get a trash bag and a snap clamp. trash bag is attached to your stand and it's sturdy enough with the weight, it's not going to tip over. You can even let it touch the ground a little bit. Another option is to place a bucket at the bottom of your stand. Then take your bag, cut a small slit along the bottom there, and that allows the water to drain down into your bucket. This is an easy way to dispose of your water, and maybe an easier fashion than we can see with just the bag. Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be showing you how to assemble the PVC arched greenhouse kit. And we'll do another shot.
I forgot to use soap.
I didn't get that, Francie.